Myself. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Michael. My friends called me Mike. I am 7 years old. I was born on the 5th of November. I live in Woodlands, Singapore with my parents and grandparents. I have 2 elder brothers and a younger sister. My father is a clerk and my mother is a housewife. I have black hair. I have black hair. It is short and straight. My skin is quite tanned. My eyes are big and round. I am small in size. I study at Woodlands Primary School. It is a big school. My father sends me to school every day in his car. My father sends me to school every day in his car. I like to read and watch cartoons. I like to read and watch cartoons. I love to read comics, fairy tales, and short mystery stories. I love to read comics, fairy tales, and short mystery stories. I watch cartoons on Sundays when I am free. I watch cartoons on Sundays when I am free. I think the animation is fantastic. Perhaps when I grow up, I want to be a cartoonist. Perhaps when I grow up, I want to be a cartoonist. Sometimes, I love playing scary games. Now, I am learning English. I want to speak English very well. I want to speak English very well. I study English at every day. I study English at every day. When I boring, I hung out with my friends. When I boring, I hung out with my friends. I spend all the days happily. I also like walking at everything. Walking is good for our health. My parents are also like walking. I have a dinner with my parents. I go to bed. Before I fall in sleep, I take a meditation. I make plan what to do for tomorrow. And then I fall in sleep deeply.